Hey fam, use this 10-minute stretch as a cool down or daily stretch to help improve flexibility and reduce sore muscles. We've got 20 exercises around 30 seconds each, so let's get started. First up is the shoulder stretch. Stand tall here, shoulders back, and bring your arms across your chest. Switch sides. You want to make sure to take deep breaths during this cool down to get as much oxygen to your muscles as possible for recovery, keeping your lips closed and breathing deeply through your nose. Now bring your arm over your head for the tricep stretch. We'll be here for about 15 seconds. Switch sides, reaching your palm of your hand to your upper back. Now we've got a chest stretch, really opening up that rib cage, standing tall. Bring your hands interlaced behind your back and bring your head back, feeling that stretch in the front of your neck. Now to the oblique stretch, bringing one hand over and up, really feeling that stretch in your side abs. Switch arms. Moving on to our legs, we've got a quad stretch. Stand tall here and bring your knee parallel with your standing leg. If you can, pull a little bit deeper. Switch sides. Now we're moving into the crow. This really opens up your hips, bringing your elbows to your knees and pray your hands. Sit as deep as you can and really feel your hips open here. Now moving on to the lunge, feeling that stretch in your hamstrings, quads, and hips. You want to make sure to keep your hips square, pulling that back hip forward and keeping it engaged, not letting it sink down. Now pulling your hips back, stretching the hamstring of your front leg. Now letting your front knee fall to the side for a modified pigeon and have your shins parallel with the top of your mat. Really feel the stretch in your glutes here. Now we're doing the same thing on the other leg, starting with the lunge. Next, pulling your hips back for that front hamstring stretch. Now let your knee fall to the side, keeping your shin parallel with the front mat and getting that stretch in your glutes again. Now sitting on your bottom, stretching out the legs as far as you can, bring one hand over your body, feeling this all the way in your legs, your lower back, your obliques, your rib cage, your arms. Now switch sides. Make sure to keep your chest open here, not collapsing down, pointing forward. Now for the butterfly, bringing the soles of your feet together. Now lying on your back, we're going to loosen up our lower back and our hips, grabbing our knees with each hand and rocking them in circles. Switching directions, feeling that massage in your lower back. Now we're moving to the fore stretch, targeting the glutes. Bring one ankle to the top of your knees and pull towards your chest, really feeling that stretch in your glutes. Switch sides. Lastly, we'll end in child's pose. On our knees, arms stretched forward, and stay here for as long as you need. Way to take care of your body, way to show up today. Great job, and I'll see you at the next workout.